It's making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then higher high, and then higher low again. So the next move should be the upward move. But hello family, welcome back to my trading channel. In this video, we'll talk about the blue chip token, and of course on top of it is Solana Sol token. We know the market is pumping. Bitcoin, Ripple, Solana, BNB, every blue chip token that is there for the long time has started pumping. So in this video, if you are someone who wanted to invest in this token and looking to invest or enter the best trade, I have the Solana for you, and I will analyze this token and tell you how far it can go, and of course where it is at, and should you buy it at this point so that you can make money in the long term or maybe short term. So with that, let's start the video. Let's talk about Solana Sol token and see how much money we can make from this token, or whether to long it or whether to short it. So let's get started. So as you can see here in front of your chart, if you go to the monthly chart of Solana and see just here, the token has reached all-time high of nearly $259 in the past in November 2021, which is like right over here. And then if we expand it, it dumped during the crash, and now again attained all-time high of nearly 295, or you can say close to $300. Then dumped again, and in 2025, since April, it has shown good resilience and now trading at around $176. Of course, it is far away from all-time high, but we need to check whether this price point is good to enter or whether to hold it for some time. And for that, we need to take a look at the lower time frames. Let's go to the weekly chart, and this one will give you some clear picture about this token. Let me just make some changes here, and of course this visibility height. Okay, so just watch here closely. As you can see, the token has pumped, Solana has pumped, then reached all-time high, then actually got dumped, then is stagnating around this zone. If you watch closely, there's a blue line here on top of it, which is this one. This is weekly resistance for this token. So you can see here, it is about to test the same line once again. We go to daily and again look at it closely. So let me draw some lines here and show you what is actually happening with this token so that you can make an informed decision with this particular trade. So see here, it is reaching the all-time high of this week, and this is one part, one resistance, second, third, fourth, fifth. You can see the touch points. The one marked in orange is the touch points that confirmed that this is a key resistance line, and you should be aware of it. You can see here, there also, and there also. So clearly this line is very crucial, and Solana is hitting this line clearly from all angles. Let me draw this chart, this bars lines. Just look at here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This one is 8, and again this one is 9 10 11 confirmation that this is a key level at which it is facing the big resistance, and if it breaks, it's going to go very high, and if it falls, it's going to crash. So again, the things are very clear. Right now Solana is trading at $176. It is climbing higher. We're making higher highs, higher lows. Let me show you right away in this pattern. It is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then higher high, and then higher low again. So the next move should be the upward move, but we have this resistance right over here, so that can be a little bit of problem. So again, if you are someone who want to invest in blue chip token, I think you should take a look at Solana, because right now it is at a very key level. And if you're someone who want to long it or short it, watch this token for the next week. It is very important, because if it fails, it is going to crash like crazy, may go down here like crazy back again. So that means it can pump really high, it can dump really high. There are two options here, but which one to decide? For that, we need to go to the lower time frame more and check where this token is heading. So go to the 4-hour chart, that will give you clear pictures. Right now it is trending high high, high lows, high high, high lows, and likewise the wave is still formed, and once you see it, it is facing rejection at the lower price point and still showing some strength. So we need to check here whether this token will touch again this highs of resistance of $183 and come back and move up, or in other words, what can it be done? It is going up, then crashing back below this level, breaking the 20 MA or 50 MA, this EMA lines, which is resistance lines. If it does, we are preparing for the bear run for this token. So clearly, this is a very interesting price point that you should take a look at, because for the next 1 week, it will be decided that Solana is going to pump very high or it's going to dump very, very badly. So clearly, watch out for the lower time frame. The higher time frame like daily chart will give you some idea by making high test candle and tell you that this is going to decelerate and going to go down. But if you look at closely for low time frame, you get an idea in advance that it is going to go down or up. Right now it's going up, and as per the momentum, it should touch this resistance of $183 very, very easily. But then it need to break it. Like this high test candle failed to cross it, and that's why the token is relaxing here. But again, it will try again to break it. If it fails, then expect it to go down below to $170, and if it does, expect it to go down to crash. Otherwise, if it sustains, if the candle sustain above this region for 1 or 2 days, it is going to go boom. So that is the whole idea of Solana to trade for next week. So clearly, if you're someone who want to trade, watch the next few days candle very closely. Watch the low time frames, because right now it's stagnating and there are high chances that it will go down from the current price action, because the deceleration is kicking in. But we don't know that completely. Any news can shift the perspective. Right now, overall trend is bullish. But again, wait for next few days. The higher target should be $300 and the lower target should go as low as $140 for now. With that, I complete my video. If you're liking my video, make sure to press the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon. I also have a Telegram group. Remember to subscribe that and watch the video shared on screen. I share daily crypto videos, the trading videos that can help you make money. And of course, you can enter at the right price point, exit at the right price point, so that you can make money on a daily basis using crypto as a powerful tool. So again, let's meet tomorrow with a new video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Trade carefully. Don't invest all your money in one token. Thank you.